Hello everyone. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the brand new L-shaped ruins system, a modular terrain designed specifically for wargaming and immersive tabletop skirmishes. Over the past years, I've been dedicated to creating terrain that balances visual immersion and practical gameplay. With this campaign, I'm going back to my roots, terrain that's not only stunning but also incredibly easy to print and use. These L-shaped ruins are designed to block line of sight, define movement, and make tactical positioning feel natural. Each building is made of interchangeable levels, allowing you to customize your battlefield like never before. With the new WYSIWYG builder, you can create your perfect structure in just a few clicks. Choose your biome, select your floors, and instantly download the STL files you need, optimized for PLA, resin, or a mix of both. Whether you're printing in high detail or for fast production, this system adapts to your style. In total, there are 392 possible configurations per biome, with multiple biomes to choose from. Each biome has its own unique visual identity, from ancient ruins and industrial complexes to futuristic cities and military outposts. But that's not all. During the campaign, you'll have the chance to unlock entire biomes, adding a vast collection of buildings, props, accessories, and more. It's the perfect way to expand your tabletop universe and enhance your wargame experience. I've also made significant improvements to the base city builder, enhancing stability and adding new features for smoother navigation and easier customization. While I've tested everything thoroughly, I'm constantly refining and expanding the system. And here's the best part. If you've backed previous campaigns and already own certain biomes, this update is free for you. You can start using the new L-shaped ruins system right away. If you love modular terrain, customizable designs, and immersive gameplay, this campaign is for you. Join us, support the project, and help shape the future of tabletop wargaming. Thank you for your support. Let's build something amazing together. Check out the Kickstarter now.